Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Animate Orange, and in this week in 3D metal model news, to kind of catch up where I left off last week, I had neglected to mention from the latest newsletter from Metal Earth, they have a contest going, a Star Wars Creative Photo Challenge. Email marketing@fascinations.com your photo entry that shows your collection of Star Wars Metal Earth models with a creative background, along with a short testimony of your Metal Earth experience. One lucky winner will be announced by being featured in the June newsletter. Entry deadline, June 13th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. In order to receive a prize, you must provide an address in the United States or have a friend's address in the U.S. that we can mail the prize to. This challenge is open to creative interpretation. If you don't have to be a professional photographer or have fancy photo equipment. Just be creative and have fun. So check that out. If you want to enter that contest, just follow those directions and email marketing@fascinations.com. If you're not already subscribed to the Metal Earth newsletter, just go to metalearth.com, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. On the right side, you'll see Get the Latest Metal Earth News, type in your email address, and hit Submit. Also, another little contest or competition that I found out about recently on Facebook from Just for Fun magazine, and I'll put a link to their Facebook page in the description as well. Competition time this week, thanks to our friends at Divisible by Zero, we have a great 3D metal model to give away, valued at over $35. The model is the Iconics USS Theodore Roosevelt CVN-71. To be in the running to win, simply like this post or comment. We will randomly choose a winner on Monday, June 4th. Good luck. And again, I will post a link to their Facebook page where you can find that post, like it, and enter their contest if you are wanting to get the USS Theodore Roosevelt, which I'm hoping to build very soon and have a video coming. So it appears that Disney has snuck a new Star Wars model set, exclusive Disney collection, into their shops. I've seen a little bit about this on Instagram the other day and doing a little bit of research and calling in for help. Thank you to Tony Lay on Instagram for doing the legwork and sending me some photographs. He found the model. It is a droid pack, and I have been quite fortunate to get it myself. I have it right here. It just showed up in the mail moments ago. It is a droid pack, which is apparently exclusive to Disney shops. It has so far been found in the Launch Base store at Disney World in Orlando, and I'll show you some of the pictures that I was sent. And it is the 4 droid models that are already available, but these are, as you can see, in color and a bit dirty looking, such is the case. So very interesting, and they also appear to be all of their own stand. Very, very cool, and I was very fortunate to find this on eBay, and I think I basically beat everybody else to finding it. That's why I got such a good deal. It looks like these are normally about $69.99, I believe, at the store. You may or may not be able to get discounts. I don't know. I've never actually been to Disney World or Disneyland or any Disney parks, so very cool for Tony to be able to send me the images and do the legwork for me. Thank you very much again. But it appears that these build just the same way as the models that are already out there. Same assembly, same parts. They're just in color, which is cool. And they all have their own individual stand instead of being combined together in any way. They all make in their own separate display stand, which is really cool. A little bit of a cash grab because they just basically added color to models that already exist and gave them a new stand, but you know what, it kind of works because I've got it, and I know at least one other person on the Metal Earth subreddit that's already got theirs. So yeah, it works. Unfortunately, it works, and it's very cool. So if you happen to find yourself at Disney World and you want a unique model, go for it. Very awesome. And also in Star Wars Metal Earth news, it appears that Target's already putting together a pre-order package for the Solo movie that's still in theaters. That will be available either Blu-ray or the 4K UHD format. It's a box set exclusively at Target. It comes with what appears to be a red tinted Metal Earth model of Lando's Millennium Falcon with the front piece still on it. So that's interesting. There's almost no information. This has just come out, just been available. Nothing set in stone yet. No dates are set. There's a price and a couple of things on their website. So it looks like a Metal Earth model, but it doesn't actually say it on the page. So that could change. But interesting tidbit to keep your eye out if you want one of the Metal Earth exclusives. It looks like they've partnered with Target this time. So keep an eye on that, and I'll keep you up to date on any information as it develops. Also of note, it looks like on the Target website right now they have this offer listed as a Target Red Card exclusive, and I believe that means that you have to have their Red Card, either credit card or debit card, to be able to take advantage of this offer. But who knows what will change between now and when it's actually released. As far as the world of Peace Cool and Tenyo and other models out there, it doesn't seem like anything's new popping up this week as of yet, and nothing new really showing up of much interest on AliExpress. It's mainly just the Star Wars stuff and Metal Earth this week. And that's the news for this week. Every Friday I always try to make a news update video to keep you informed of what's going on in 3D metal model news. In the meantime, you can keep an eye on my Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter page. I sometimes post news updates there as well. Or if you're a Patreon supporter, you might find some tidbits of news is there as well. As always, thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.